Hey Rush fam, how is everyone doing? If you guys didn't see the title, could you guys have known where we are today? So yes, we are in Wellington Heights, just off Wellington Drive, right here in Kingston 6, close to Ligani, close to Papine, close to the Huey Mona. This community, I can safely say, only has multi-level mansion and houses based on the hilly terrain. Some lovely design. Some houses are still under construction while some are completed. So it's Wellington Heights right here in Kingston. Remember to subscribe. Subscribing is completely free. It doesn't cost you anything. Remember to like the video. Remember to share. And remember to leave your comments. So most of these units are 3 floors, 4 floors. With views, a lot of awesome views. So some very nice homes up here in Wellington Heights. I did a more detailed video of this area. I'll put it in the description for you guys, so you guys can check that out as well. Alright, so we're heading down from Wellington Heights. And again, I think a few lots are still here. So I'm sure in the next few years they'll be completely gone. Even on the left right here we see some empty lots as well. So I'm sure more mansions will be going up. Alright guys, so thanks for clicking on this video. Really appreciate the support. And remember, we're trying to get to 10,000 subscribers before the end of June 2021. Remember to go over to my Instagram page as well, Raymore Reviews-Jamaica, and follow me there. So thanks for clicking on this video and thanks for the support guys. We're descending from Wellington Heights, also known as Oak Shore Road, right off Wellington Drive. Right in front of St. Peter and Paul Prep School. So we'll be driving onto Old Hope Road and we'll be heading to Lady Musgrave side. So stay tuned, enjoy the drive. Over the last couple weeks I haven't done any driving video to that. So it's a driving video for you guys. Just always try to have, you know, different type of video, you know, a little versatility or some versatileness to the channel, you know, you want to put it. So we're just outside of the police commissioner office on the right, office of the commissioner of police. And again, we're on Old Hope Road, heading to Lady Musgrave side. So enjoy the drive guys. now approaching Lady Musgrave, passing the development bank on the left, and down the road is the AC Hotel along with ATL, BMW and Mini Cooper location. So it's just a quick drive. Was in the area and just basically showcasing you guys, or showing you guys around the area as well. So we're coming from Wellington Heights off Wellington Drive close to Ligany, and we're now on Lady Musgrave. So stay tuned, guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and definitely subscribe as well. So we have the Mini Cooper and BMW location right here on the left, along with the AC Marriott Hotel. Very nice location. Alright guys, so thanks for clicking, thanks for watching, and we'll head on to Trafalgar Road now.